Let's solve this question. In this video, we solve this question: x power of a divided by x power of b, power of a square plus ab plus b square times x power of b divided by x power of c, power of b square plus bc plus c square times x power of c divided by x power of a, power of c square plus ca plus a square. To solve this question, we use two identity. First identity, this a cube minus b cube equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Second identity, we use x power of a divided by x power of b equal x power of a minus b. So we can write that x power of a divided by x power of b equal x power of a minus b, power of a square plus ab plus b square times x power of b divided by x power of c. We can write that x power of b minus c, power of b square plus bc plus c square times x power of c divided by x power of a. We can write that x power of c minus a, power of c square plus ca plus a square. Now in the second line, we use another identity called power rule, which is a power of m power of n equal a power of m times n. So in this case, we multiply a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write that a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. In the same way, we can write that x power of b minus c times b square plus bc plus c square times x power of c minus a times c square plus ca plus a square. After that, we use another identity, a power of m times a power of n equal a power of m plus n. So in this case, we can write that a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square plus b minus c times b square plus bc plus c square plus c minus a times c square plus ca plus a square. Now we use the first identity, which is a cube minus b cube equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So instead of this a minus b a square plus ab plus b square, we can write that a cube minus b cube. In the same thing, b minus c b square plus bc plus c square, we can write that b cube minus c cube, right? So x power of a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Now plus a cube minus a cube becomes 0, plus c cube minus c cube 0, and plus b cube minus b cube 0. So we got what? X power of 0, and anything power of 0 always 1. So our final answer is 1.